I was looking to upgrade my system and talk to a business associate about any recommendations he might be able to give me. And I was very concerned about finding someone that was very competent and capable. And he referred me to TVS Pro, and it's been a great experience ever since. Price is always important, but it definitely was not as important as competence, quality, and service. That was the most important thing. You hear horror stories about people having bad experiences with audiovisual systems, and I didn't want to go through that. The company I had worked with had gone out of business, and so I was looking to have someone that I knew would be around for a long time, and that was, most importantly, very competent and focused on quality. From top to bottom, it's been an experience that has been much better than I ever expected to be. Like I mentioned, the quality of the installation has been great. The equipment has been off the charts. Having a 4K system now has been an extreme upgrade to the output that I have and the quality that I have. It's been an experience where customer service has been the focus of TVS Pro, and they've met every need and desire that I ever hoped to have.